is Tershona Branch. I came to CFA in 2014 and I just graduated. One thing that I am forever grateful from CFA is the fact that the teachers invest so much time and so much energy into the students. Any morning at 7 a.m. Mr. Adams is going to be here, and a lot of other teachers will be here at 7 a.m. an hour before school starts to make sure that we are prepared, make sure we understand things. We come in with questions about homework, questions about assignments. Hey, I need some clarity on this. I got this question wrong on this test and I just can't figure it out. Can you help me out? And they invest so much time, so much energy into our individual success. Not just the success of the class or the test scores, but do you understand the material? Do you understand how this is going to help you in college, how this is going to help you in life? Because you never really think about those things. You take calculus and you just, hey, that's calculus. But one day I'm going to need calculus. I'm going to need it pretty badly to, invent a graft for an aorta or something of the sort. I'm going to need that calculus to get me there. And it's very important that the teachers take the extra step to invest in the students, and I absolutely love that about CFA. In my high school career, I did mock trial, YAG. Another program that I was involved in was SGA. SGA, I wrote one of my college essays about an SGA experience. And just those different experiences, they've helped me get into college, they've helped me get the Morehead-Cain, and they have helped me be a very successful person and a successful leader. CFA Academy should definitely be on the radar for high school. The way they prepare the students, the way the teachers invest in the students, you can't find that anywhere else.